Hello, class. Welcome to week two. This is the week two video. It's going to be a short one, of course. Right now, if you, uh, should be starting on chapter one at the very least today. Get that first assignment knocked out. It's an overview of computers and programming, um, as you see on the schedule. And just a reminder that everything is unlocked, so you can work ahead. And even though on our pacing guide, our final scheduled to open up August 1st, if you finish early, just let me know. I'll unlock your final for you so you can test out of the class early if you want to. But sadly, there will be no late work due. So once that August 7th hits, that Wednesday, August 7th, I think I'll move it back to 7:10 p.m. To have everything done, including the final. So make sure you have everything done by then, because I will submit the grades Wednesday evening. All right, and let's go to the course. Make sure you got that. Let's go. All right, so here's our course. Here's our Canvas. If you want to announcements, check the announcements. Just click on the announcements there, and I'll show you all the announcements. If I have anything else, I'll put it there, which this video will be on it. Your Cengage tab, your Modules tab. It's just like your Home tab. All you do is click this. If you want to see the video or the PowerPoint slides, you can click there. They're lined up by the week on the training scale, on the training. And then there's your week three discussion. It's going to open up on June 6th or June 7th. So if you're behind every week, you have to follow those instructions. If you're ahead or caught up by the pacing guide, you don't have to post a discussion at all, right? So discussion, that's how you see your discussion. They won't open up until week three, so you don't have to do anything now. If you do have a question, you can put it in week three. If you have a technical issue, I'd also check your discussions too as well. Your grades, if you want to see, well, if you want me to see your grades here, you have to see them on the Mind tab, and I'll show you. I won't be able to show you that, but I'll show you where to go to see yours. Right? If you want to see the syllabus from here, just click on the syllabus link, and that'll come up. And you can see that on the intro video. Course files as well. And you have your slides, and then you have your syllabus there you can download. Next, let's check out our Microsoft Teams page. And as you see, if you go to your Teams in the classwork, okay, home, class notebook, there's nothing there. You got to go to classwork, and you can see your videos. So for week one, there's just introduction videos and SMART goals, along with another way to see your syllabus. Then week two, if you open this arrow, click on see more, you'll see your quick study guide. Also with your lab for all three labs, there's a video there that shows you how to do it, along with your chapter one slides. And week three, for every week, you can see all these videos that actually go through the actual programs, so you can follow along if you get stuck. Just make sure that a lot of times when you first start, you'll make mistakes. It's hard to see. The more you make those mistakes, the more you program, the easier it will be able for you to find those mistakes, right? And as you see, this follows the pacing guide with the dates. Same thing with your syllabus, and on your Canvas side, it follows. So if you want to look at the slides here, you can as well. So like I said, just make sure that you stay ahead or stay on pace. And I'm going to do going to do the report Tuesday. Actually, I'll wait till Wednesday for the consensus reporting or census reporting. So if you're not on MindTap, you make sure you start that first assignment. If you haven't done anything, I'm going to report you as not present. So make sure you do that before Wednesday. All right, and I'm going to do it Wednesday around 7 p.m. So one, you have to be on MindTap, which almost everyone is. There's only one or two people that's not on there yet that's on the roster. But also you need to do at least one assignment, that first assignment or a quiz or something. Speaking of quizzes, the review for the quizzes is also quick study guide, where it says chapter one, quick study guide. That video will go over less than 10 minutes. Same thing with chapter two. So there too. Remember, the quizzes are worth 20 points. So if you got to do something before Wednesday at 7 p.m. or when I do the census report and I'm reporting you as not showing or not no attendance. So make sure you do that. If you have any questions, let me know. You can reach me on Teams. I would recommend that you go to the General tab here, and then here just click Reply. You don't need this. I need to delete this. Okay, there we go. So just click Reply there, and that's our classroom chat. Just as a reminder. All right. So that's all I have. Probably next week sometime, I'll send an information where I'll be online on Teams Live for about 15 minutes or so. So if you have a question or you want to be on Teams or whatever, you'll get that invite. It's not mandatory, but like I said, if you have a question that you've been waiting for or whatever, you want to see something live, if you let me know in advance, I already have it set up for you. But other than that, that's all for this video. So actually, one more thing. Let's see what I wanted to mention. Let's see. Back to Canvas that I didn't do. Let's go back home or Student Modules. Go into MindTap. Here. So yeah, once you get into MindTap, all your grades will be here. That 600 points that we grade on, that you're going to be graded on, everything will come out of MindTap. So your total points will be what counts. And if you don't know how to work MindTap, just go through these quick videos. If you got it figured out, start at chapter 1 and go through it and so on. Remember your graded things, coded is going to be your programs. And then apply it, it's going to be your quizzes. Quizzes are 20 points. Programs are a lot worse, or a lot less. And then everything with the orange dot is graded. Everything without the orange dot is just practice. It's not mandatory, but it wouldn't hurt you to read the information to learn how to code in C++ or C++, Java, and in Python. Right? It's going to start off very basic, so it behooves you to get off to a good start, get off to an early start, so that when you get to those more tougher programming, you'll understand what you're doing instead of trying to catch up and do everything last minute. All right. So other than that, enjoy your Memorial Day. Make sure that you're active. Check your email at least once a week. Should be checking a lot more often than that, because if you go ghost on me and you fall behind, you're going to be listed as inactive and it'll drop you from the class. All right. So I know it's online. It's at your own time, but you're not. You're still in my class, so I'm still accountable for you. So if I can't get in touch with you, you're not doing any work. Can't have you in here. All right. So enjoy your Memorial Day. See you. Hopefully, we'll see you next week. Take care.